Welcome to this geometry lesson. Today, we are going to explore a fundamental concept called complementary angles. Specifically, we will learn about two angles that, when added together, create a perfect 90-degree corner. First, let's identify the building block of this concept, the right angle. A right angle measures exactly 90 degrees. You see this shape everywhere, like the corner of a book or a square room. In geometry, we often mark it with a small square symbol in the corner. So, what are complementary angles? The definition is simple. Two angles are complementary if the sum of their measures equals 90 degrees. It works like a math equation. Angle 1 plus angle 2 equals 90. Often, you will see these angles right next to each other. These are called adjacent complementary angles. They share a common vertex or corner point and a shared side. Together, they unite to form that perfect right angle shape. However, they do not have to be touching. Here is an example of non-adjacent complementary angles. One is 65 degrees and the other is 25 degrees. Since 65 plus 25 equals 90, they are still considered complementary pairs. This concept is very useful for solving problems. If you know that two angles form a right angle, and you know one of them is 35 degrees, you can easily find the missing one. Simply subtract 35 from 90. The answer is 55 degrees. We see this relationship in the real world too. For example, on a clock face at 3 p.m., the hands form a 90-degree angle. The second hand can split that angle into two complementary parts. Engineers also use these relationships when designing strong structures like ramps and brackets. Be careful not to confuse complementary with supplementary. Complementary angles sum to 90 degrees, forming a corner. Supplementary angles sum to 180 degrees, forming a straight line. Remember, C comes before S, just like 90 comes before 180. Let's summarize. Complementary angles always add up to 90 degrees. They can be adjacent or separate. And remember, finding a missing complementary angle is just a simple subtraction problem from 90. Now try this yourself. If angle A is 72 degrees, what is its complement? Take a moment to think. 90 minus 72 equals 18, so the answer is 18 degrees.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.